Introducing the 2024 Polestar 2 Srsm 31, a sleek and powerful electric saloon that boasts 69 kWh of horsepower. With top-of-the-line comfort and safety features, including satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle is built for peace of mind on the road. Stylish extras like ambient lighting and luxury trim elevate the driving experience. Rest easy knowing this car has undergone a full health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to experience the future of driving? Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this impressive vehicle. Drive confidently in the Polestar 2 Srsm 31.